It's this proverb which says that experience is the best teacher. And not until and unless you learn and experience some things by your own, you cannot really comprehend what someone else is telling you. Okay? So in my online working journey, there are some hard truths which I learned on my own. Truths which most people won't even tell you. When you ask, for example, when I was getting into online working, I used to see people who I meet and they're earning. And they will tell you, online work is good, it's good, like that, it's good, it's easy. You see? So, personally, when I was getting into it, that is in 2019 after graduation, I graduated in 2018. So, I was looking for something to do. I got into online work with this mentality of, I'm going to start working online now. Within 3 months, I'll be having a mansion. I'll be driving a very big vehicle. Within 1 year, I'll be visiting the countries in the world because I'm going to be earning millions and millions of dollars within this short time. So my mentality was get rich quick scheme. And yet we are always told in life, there is no shortcut to life. Oh my God, and nothing comes easy. So this is the truth number one. Truth number one, it takes time to make sustainable income in online working. It will take you time. It will take you time. Why? This is the reason. Number one, you must learn. You must, if it is graphic designing, if you're doing virtual assistant, if you're doing trading or whatever it is that you're doing, you must learn the skill. Take time to learn the skill. You may even find yourself investing in courses if you're able to pay for them. After learning, number two, you must practice, then you build up yourself. Okay, so the truth number one, it takes time to make sustainable income. That is a very hard truth which I learned over time. After checking my account for the first 3 months, 5 months, nothing, $0, and I was almost giving up, and I was even scammed in some instances. Number two, you must learn continuously. Learn continuously. Even when you start earning, when you started working and you're still earning, have this habit of improving that skill daily. Because remember, things are changing daily. Technology is changing. New things are upcoming. Like now, for example, nowadays we have AI. AI, which is really coming up. So if I was doing graphic designing, for example, 10 years ago, the graphic design of 10 years ago is not the same as of today because we have AI tools which have come to improve. So keep on learning. Truth number three, scams are real. Hey, scams are real, and paid work is real, and also legit platforms are real. So how do you identify scams? As for me, one way that I always spot scams is, number one, they're not willing to reveal their true identity. Number two, they're promising you a lot of money with less work. Someone can promise you, like now, for example, you're just going to do this, let's say 2,000 word article for me, and I'm going to pay you like, let me say, $1,000. Question yourself, okay? So scammers will always be there. They are real, they are there, they are legit, they are there, and they are also legit platforms. It does not mean that everything is a scam online. Only that people don't want to take their time to research because they want to take shortcuts, and there is no shortcuts in life. Another hard truth, very hard truth, online work is very hard. It is not easy, and it requires your effort, your time, patience, persistence, determination. Okay, that is the most painful hard truth about online working. So if you're lazy, if you don't want to be committed, if you don't want to put yourself there mentally, emotionally, physically, and even your time, sometimes even sleeping late at night, then I don't think online work is hard is good for you. Okay, so I think those are some of the most hard truths which people will not tell you. Okay, also another truth is that sometimes it may require you to invest in mentors or in a course. Okay, because for example you may go out there on YouTube or on other platforms and you're finding all weird ideas about that particular online work which you want to do. So this is my advice: in that area which you're doing, look for one person. Let's say you've identified person A, you've watched their videos, you've seen they are very consistent in what they do, you've seen them, follow them. Okay, and follow what they are teaching, because when you jump from this one and each person has their own strategy, that's where you'll get confused. So it is not bad to invest in yourself. Okay, but don't just go investing. You hear someone has a course, you invest. You hear this one is having another one, you invest. No, take your time. No, do I really want to do online writing? Yes. In online writing, do I want to be a ghostwriter or do I want to do fiction, non-fiction? Identify all those. After that, where do I begin? Where can I get a mentor, or where can I get a legit course to take me through that scenario? And if you don't have the money to pay for these courses or the mentors, go on YouTube, pick one platform and follow that person. Okay, don't jump here. You'll be confused. So those are some of the hard truths which I haven't in my journey over time. And my journey has not been easy, because even me, I have been scammed, especially when I was beginning and I invested a lot of money in some courses which I didn't even know, because I used to be this person. When I hear a course, I jump. I hear people are trading, I go. Online writing, I go. Then in the end of it all, I was just confused. I even don't know what to do, and I gained nothing. So on the comment section, leave a comment there. Let me hear from you. Have you ever been scammed? And those who are in online work, what are some other truths which you've learned? Have you ever been like me, jumping from these different courses, doing different things, then you just become confused, you don't know what to do? And what are you doing currently? Have you ever decided to work online? Let me hear your thoughts on this platform. In this platform, we'll be talking of both online working and also on physical businesses, because personally I'm in both right now. Currently I do both online work and I also do physical businesses. Physical now, the one which the physical businesses. Okay, so I will be sharing my experiences in both and even comparing, and you also see how can you balance both. Can you be able to do both? How can you know which is good for you and which is not good for you? Let me know in the comment section.